Important comment that will be asked will be the wine. So you have seen this wine bottle. So by seeing this wine bottle, you have to identify that it's a wine. The bottle can also be this shape. So by seeing this, you need to identify that this is wine. So when you see the image, you need to identify it as a wine. What is wine? Wine is a what it is wine? Wine is a microbial product. Okay, it's a microbial product formed by the fermentation, and because of the fermentation, it's a microbial fermentation product, and it is a next important thing is it's an alcoholic beverage. Why it is an alcoholic beverage? Because of the fermentation, it releases the alcohol, and this alcohol will be taken as for this particular thing. So wine will be generally produced from grapes. So you will take the grapes, and then grapes will be crushed, okay, and then must is prepared, and the must is pasteurized, and then it is inoculated with yeast cells, and then it is left for fermentation. Okay, fermentation, and once it is fermented, okay, it will be transferred into bulk culture and wine is produced. So wine, once you identified the wine, you need to write that it's a microbial product of fermentation, and it's a basically alcoholic beverage. And how it is produced? You have to take the grapes, you have to crush it and prepare the must and pasteurize it and inoculate with the yeast cells. And once you inoculate with the yeast cell, you need to lead to for fermentation. In fermentation, then you need to add it as a bulk culture and wine will be produced. Next important comment that will be asked will be commercial microbial product. So in this first one is this is spirulina, and this will, once you identify this one, you have to, so once you identify it, so spirulina here, once you if it is kept in bottle, you need to identify it SCP. You need to remember the difference. If the spirulina spiral shaped is kept, you have to identify it as a spirulina organism. So if it is kept in a bottle, you need to identify SCP. SCP stands for single cell protein. Okay, so it's a commercial microbial product. SCP is a commercial microbial product. Okay, commercial microbial product, and it is rich in proteins, and it is also having the vitamins, minerals, and it is given as a food supplement. SCP is given as a food supplement. Okay, and it is most importantly, it is having lot of medicinal properties. Okay, this much is enough for SCP. Like this, you can also ask commercial microbial product. What it is? This is, what is this? This is curd. Curd is one of the microbial product. Like that, you can also, what is this? This is cheese. This is also a commercial microbial product. This is also a image of a cheese. This is also a commercial microbial. This is yogurt. This is also a commercial microbial product. So for commercial microbial product, you can be given the yogurt, cheese or curd. Any of these things will be given, and you have to write it as a commercial microbial.